Today I have this lot of models that someone ordered from Australia. So I'm just gonna show you that it's working. So our friend can see that the models he's gonna receive. Also, he ordered me set of 6-pack of decals right here. And let's go ahead and start with the soda fuel tanker. Here it is, the one he ordered. This one is from Tomy. Really nice tanker. The other tanker he ordered is, so I gotta say thank you very much for this person. The oil tanker, it's a yellow with a black oil tower. Very nice. It's, T4840. This one is from Mattel. Nice tanker. Also this very bright red caboose. Here's the red caboose. This one doesn't say anything, but I assume it should be Hitoy company because it say made in China. Does not say Tommy. The next one I like to say that, I don't know why, but these new models are the new models. I'm talking about the All Engines Go and Trackmaster Revolutions are with less details than the old Trackmaster models. Look at this, the garbage bags, the cans and other stuff here with a lot of details. They put a lot of effort before. Of course, you know about this. Today's toys are poorly like others say, like people saying garbage. Now we have this blue brake band. I do not remember on which, or don't recall on which set this came. I just remember I put it on for sale as a single item. Of course, if you are collecting these models, sometimes you cannot find some of these, and sometimes you find them. See, very tiny wheels. And B9038, this one from Mattel. Now the next one, we have a cattle car from Tomy, I assume. Yes, Tomy. Is it the day here? No, it's just Thailand. The cattle car with sliding doors. Very nice. Cool. And the next one he's gonna get is this box car, gray top with a red box car with a gray top. This one actually belongs to, if you remember, comes with the sear handle, the set of the sear handle. It comes this box car. The next one is, oh, look at this, soda ice cream. Yeah, I remember getting this, and probably you remember we got this from some sets, lot actually that we got. These are kind of hard to find, not rare, hard to find, because a lot of people does not wants to get rid of their toys, especially these toys. So here's the serial number. This one is from Hitoy company. Now the next we have Duncan. Listen to this, Duncan. Yes, we restored this model a few months ago. We put a new decals, coat of paint on the roof, decals. I remember put, if I'm not mistaken, this one is Mattel. We put some new gear and grease and maybe the motor. Don't recall. Nice working, Duncan. Next one is Kevin. Also, we actually I check before. We always check before sending these models to the owners to make sure they are working in working condition, and we change the gear. Probably you might not notice, but it was very noisy. Still a little noise, but it's common on these kind of gears. When these gears are like this, reduction gears, they still make a noise. Not like the Trackmaster Revolution, they have less noise because they use a worm gear, the worm gear like that, remember? So now this comes with the magnetic cargo. This is I think it's a motor or something, engine or something. Look at that, nice. And the set, I don't know if you have seen this, but the couplers are different than the Trackmaster. And I remember seeing only on Kevin and Rocky this kind of couplers. See what I'm talking about? Yeah, different couplings. So Kevin, yes, I think it's only Kevin and Rocky. So the magnetic, or the magnet is located on this cargo, right there. You can see. It's not. I thought it was here, but it's just a piece of metal, round piece of metal, kind of ring or something. But it's nice set. Now the next set, let me tell you, this you cannot find the complete set. Sometimes very hard to find the complete set, especially if you are trying to get the complete set, you're definitely not gonna find it. Now here are the box, the crates. Is it crate or crate? Something's making sound inside. Is it magnetic? I remember some of these come same or similar boxes come with Harold the helicopter. Probably you remember the set. Yeah, I remember the set. It's called Harold to the rescue or something. But these are not magnetic crates. But it's working porter with this. What is this? What are these things? Oh, rails, beams. Yeah, it looks like a rails. And the last that is definitely not easy to find is Glean, the complete set. Maybe you can find Glean for 60 or 70 bucks alone sometimes. I don't know. I haven't checked the lately eBay. That's my favorite place to look for these models. But last time I remember the price was for $80, $90, even 120 bucks for the set. But I always like to put it for a little less on my site, on my online store, customtrackmasters.com. Okay, I'm gonna put in this to run in the track for a little test. So there is Glean running the complete set of Glean in really nice condition. This person who ordered it from Australia, he's gonna get a good set. These are not easy to find. And there is Porter also, the complete set in very nice working condition. I like that set. This is the second set I've sold so far, the complete sets. And the next one is Duncan. There is Duncan running on the layout. Really nice model. And Kevin, of course, cannot run on tracks. Oh, it runs a little. Runs a little bit, but it's not running as it should. Look, it just stopped right there. So it's not made for this Trackmaster tracks. This one actually is made for road tracks. I don't know if you have seen the road tracks for Trackmaster models, but look, it's working around the layout. It's working properly. It's really nice. Okay.